Why does Japan have so many earthquakes? Let's find out. Japan sits on the Ring of Fire, a hot zone for earthquakes and volcanoes. This ring is a giant loop of tectonic plate boundaries circling the Pacific Ocean. Japan is perched right where four tectonic plates collide: the Pacific, Philippine Sea, Eurasian, and North American plates. When these plates grind against each other, bam! Earthquakes happen. The constant motion and friction of these plates make Japan a seismic hotspot. So next time Japan shakes, you'll know it's the planet's natural dance of tectonic plates. Pretty cool, right?